Hi, this is Dave from Judd Corporation. I'm going to give you a brief overview of the RCS4000 semi-manual turn-up machine. We've developed this unit for the North American market. This is the fourth generation turn-up machine that we've made. What we've done is we've taken our manual turn-up machine, added a computer and electric motor to it, so that with the push of a button, the setup sequence can be done by the operators. Internally, it's the same as a 4000 manual system, and in the unlikely event of a failure with the electronics, you can go back and operate it in manual. The setup sequence is very simple. The operator will simply apply a piece of adhesive tape to the paper band. And if you look at the directions on the PLC, system is ready. Press and release the start button to lower the tape stop. Push stop. Insert the paper band to the stop and push the start button again, and the setup sequence will begin. This unit is set up for one of our customers, so it's pre-programmed for the dimensions that we'll need when we do the installation, but it'll work for our demonstration purposes here as well. You'll notice we have two loops. The first loop is an injection loop so that I have enough tape to reach the nip when the primary arms are rolled over and the nip is created. The second nip is the break loop, and that's to make sure I have enough tape to get all the way across the machine as the tape spirals around the spool. There's two ways to inject the tape. You can use a manual button, which we can mount on the operator station where they're operating the primary arms, or we can mount an optical sensor so that when the primary arms are rolled, the target will be set off and the tape will inject automatically. It's the customer's choice, of course. So for this demonstration purposes, I'm going to use the manual injection button, which you'll see the tape at the far end of the rail that we have made is going to inject out of. That would normally be into the nip and a turn-up would have occurred. I also want to show you how simple it is to use the manual feature, but let me pull the tape out first. As I mentioned, if there's an electronics failure, you can go to manual mode. Simply push the knob in, rotate the wheel slightly, and now we can operate in manual. Again, the operator would put a piece of adhesive tape on the paper band, insert it into the machine. The first switch allows me to drive it out to the end of the machine. The second button is for my injection loop. Third button, and they're in sequence, is for my brake loop, and the fourth button is the cutter. At this point, the unit is set up, and the operators again can use the manual injection button or one that's on the unit here and inject into the tape. Very reliable system, very simple to use, solid state components, and I'd also like to take a moment to briefly show you the inside of our control panel. We have an Allen Bradley PLC, and we use 18 AWG wiring, which is robust, certainly handles the current load. Everything is made to order here in our shop and is tested here before it's shipped out. It's a great piece of equipment. We've had great success with it. If you decide to go with the semi-automatic unit, I'm sure you'll be happy. Thank you.